All right, hi everyone. This is Mr. Delicious again, and we are now moving on to question number 19 and 20. All at this, both of them will be in this video, and then let's now proceed to question number 19 of the mathematics for the grade 10 pass exam paper year 2010. Okay, now for question number 19, let me first erase this. And let's have question number 19. What is the question for number 19? Question number 19 is here. This is the now question number 19. Now for question number 19, this is the question. This question is more on divisibility. Divisibility. So there are rules that you have to learn, and this divisibility of a number. Okay. When is the number divisible by 2, by 3, and by 5? So in this given here, which of these numbers can be evenly divided by 2, 3, and 5? Now, there are rules here. Okay, let me start first. The number that is divisible by 2 the rule is that the last digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Okay? So if you look at this one, all of these numbers qualifies for divisibility by 2 because the last digits are 0. The last digits are zeros. Now, what about a number that is divisible by 5? Okay, a number that is divisible by 5 is when the last digit is either 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0. So it shows that all these numbers are divisible by 5 and 2. But the question there now is, which of these numbers is divisible by 3? What is the rule of knowing that the number is divisible by 3? Okay, here's the rule. A number is divisible by 3 if when you are going to add all the digits of the number, that the sum is divisible by 3. Okay? So take note, let me say it again. A number is divisible by 3 if when you are going to add the digits of the given number, the sum is divisible by 3. Okay, let me try it here. We have letter A. Now take note, like what I've said, all these numbers A, B, C, D, E are divisible by 2 and 5 because the last digits 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 are according to the rules of number divisible by 2 and 5. The only difference now is which one is divisible by 3 so that it gives us an answer which one is divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Okay. Letter A, the number is 2, 3, 9, 0. Okay. So, if we are going to add 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 0, the answer is equal to 14. Now, is 14 divisible by 3? No. Okay. Letter B. The letter B, the given number is 2, 3, 8, 0. Okay. 2, 3, 8, 0. Let's add. 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 0 equals. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5 plus 8 is 13. Now, 13 is also not divisible by 3, meaning that you cannot divide 13 and gives you a whole number. Letter C. We have letter C here is 2, 3, 7, 0. And then let's add 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 0. The answer here is 12. So that means that the letter C, we don't need to proceed to D and E because it's now telling us that 2370 or 2370 is divisible by 3, and therefore Letter C is the option. Since all of the numbers are divisible by 2 and 5, then our next option is which one is divisible by 3. And now it's showing us that from the rules, letter C, 2,370, when we add all the digits, it gives us the sum of 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So the correct answer for this one is letter C. Grade 10, I want you to remember the rules of divisible numbers, okay, or divisibility. Okay, next one, let's proceed now. In this video, I will now erase this. Question number 20. Okay, question number 20. This is question number 20. So let's have question number 20. That's the question number 20. So this is the question number 20. This is the very simple question, because all you need to do is to recall Pythagoras theorem, okay, or Pythagorean theorem. Which of the formula below can be used to find the value of b? So this one is a right angle triangle, and the options here gives us the formula of finding the value of b. All right, so the value of b, okay, looks like this this one is the next option. So this one is just very easy. In the right angle triangle, take note, when do we use the Pythagoras theorem? Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. The Pythagoras theorem it states that c square is equal to a square plus b square. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the one side plus the square of the other side. Now this is our c in this given, and this is b, and this is a. So if we are using this formula, then you will have c square, transpose this a square to the other side of the equation. It is positive, then it becomes negative. A square is equal to b square. We are now going to let b as the subject, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 1/2, and so this one is c square minus a square to the power of 1/2 equals, cancel for this, so b is, that's the formula. Now take note, an expression that is raised to the power of 1/2 means it is a square root. A square root of c square minus a square equals b, and therefore the expression now to find the value of b in a Pythagoras, in this right angle triangle using the Pythagoras theorem, is b is equal to the square root of c square minus a square. Take note that the Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem applies only when you are dealing with the sides of the right angle triangle. So that's when you are going to use Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so that is how you're going to work it out. So let's find out from here which one is the giving us the value of b, to get the formula to find the value of b. And the correct answer is letter b. B is equal to, what do we have here? A square minus c square. Over here is a and this one is c. So we can replace this one as a and this one is c. So there was a confusion is from the given here c square. So that means that this one is a square, and then this one is c square. All right, so this one also is a square. Now you have to be very careful at this one. So this is the you have to make sure that you are looking at the correct given of our, so this, the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, opposite to the right angle symbol, is the A. And that means that c squared from this Pythagoras theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, is actually a squared minus c squared. This one becomes a squared minus c is equal to c squared plus b squared. Okay, so we have the answer now. The correct answer here is letter B. B is equal to the square root of a squared minus c squared. So I think the purpose of doing that is to just challenge the students whether they are familiar with Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and that's why you have to be very careful with that if you encounter this kind of question in your national examination this year. I wish you all the best. Okay, so this is question number 20, and we will now proceed to question number 21, and I hope that you are getting it right. Comment below if in case you have any question, and I will do my best to help you out wherever you are here in Papua New Guinea, or even in my country in the Philippines, or around the world. If you are encountering this kind of question and if you need help, I am here for you. This is Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach. I'll see you for question number 21, mathematics or grade 10 past exam paper year 2010. Bye for now.